Hey everyone, Ben here from Building Lego and Gaming Madness, and welcome to part 2 of the Escapists. And shut up. Alex is still with us, that's why we're playing it.
Yes, yeah, part 2, and I'm back. If you've seen the part 1,
yeah, it's like
well, he could only
part 1 like 2 seconds ago.
Yeah, and we just started this, but now we're gonna do like a really easy prison, and we can escape.
That was quite hard.
Yeah, that we found out we can escape that, and we're gonna try escape for you guys. So let's start.
Try to escape. We might not escape the prison in time.
No, it might take quite a while because we need materials. So do you want to go
play versus?
No.
Why?
Because I don't like it.
Okay.
So a new game. I've played this quite a lot of times. See? Start game.
There's not many prisoners.
No. Actually, you know, there isn't any prisoners.
Just me and you?
Yeah, it's just me and you.
Do you know that there's more prisoners than guards?
Yeah. Why don't prisoners take over?
Because there is more prisoners than guards.
I'm done TDM.
I'm done TDM too. Why are we always both done? A Wild West prison!
I know.
Isn't that cool? Imagine if she just walked off and died.
Actually, you can't walk off. Oh, we need to find a 2-player. Okay, we both need to kill a guard and get a guard costume. Okay, that's our aim now.
Where's both?
Wait, no. They don't let you out. Wait, don't worry, Ben. Ow! I'm quickly gonna get bed sheets so that when they look in our cell, they can't see.
Please don't get me, please.
No, not me. Not me. Please, not me. No.
Medic.
And now he's after you.
He doesn't know where I've gone. I'm literally running off. What if he finds me?
Run to the front of the train. I dare you to.
I am.
Run to the train. It's going to be so surprising.
Why? Bad cop.
No.
No, he literally just said I'm bad cop. No, I saw him say bad cop. Got you now. No, it's him. I saw the guard. The guard's after me.
I'm just. Why stop screaming? Okay, I'm gonna do a trick. Why? No, Ben. Now when they look in our cell, they can't see anything.
No.
Can you shut up? Now when they look in our cell, they won't see anything. Ben, just go back to your normal self, please.
Okay.
Because this is a video.
I just took 5 minutes. Why am I still on the ground? No, fine.
Okay, now they can't see anything. Great.
Really?
Yeah. Now I'm running. Oh, no! I'll find. I'll get back into my... No!
Is that your second time being knocked out?
I'm...
How many times did you
so
do
unfair.
By the way, guys, we're still on the same one. I'm that side and he's that side.
Yeah.
How long does it... Oh, I'm being taken back to our cell.
Excuse me, I'm knocked out. Do you mind? Thank you. Okay, now follow me.
I can't look. We're literally the only prisoners.
Yeah. I'm going to look in the cell.
Escape.
But you need to crash something. And that's not a 2-player escape. Okay, there's a guard now. Thanks for covering for me. There's a guard right there. Where are you going?
I want to open the chair.
Okay, great.
Can I, how do you open it again?
A. Press B. You're holding A. No, come out. The guard's going to come that way. Like right now.
He knocked me out. How have you got a hammer?
Because I just lit. And luckily there are no sensors in this because it's an old-fashioned. So,
oopsie. Oh, he took my piece of wood. You suck. Fine.
I'm gonna try and get the right materials to just craft.
Excuse me, idiot. Can you please get off me? Get away from me! One more hit and you're dead.
One more hand, I'm dead! And I've got all the good
Officer
stuff.
Friday.
Officer Friday.
His name's
What a
Officer
dumb
Friday.
name.
Put the stuff in our. Put it in the cell. If you can get in quickly.
I'm going the wrong way. That's why I'm trying to find a cupboard to hide in. That's why.
You're dead. You're so dead.
I'm so dead. No, I'm not. I'm not dead. Just about. I'm just gonna hide in there for a little while. Just whilst I just no. I'm just so scared. Are you looking from the camera or from the actual screen?
Actual screen.
I think I might be looking at the camera a little bit.
How do you take the bed sheets?
Hold A.
Thanks, I've got the bed sheets.
No, don't worry, I've already done it.
How do you place the bed sheets? A.
Oh no, I mean Y.
Hold Y.
He said you've got to get the pillar first. So hold A again. No, not there. There. Yeah, hold A.
Holding A.
Okay, that's just not working. I'm gonna get out. And guys, just saying this is my switch.
Not mine.
No. Well, since he didn't have the escapist in it, and it would take so long. Yes! Ben! Oh,
Yeah?
I need to get that crowbar.
Well, you don't know.
No.
Take the cup.
There's a way to escape.
Where are you?
Isn't there?
Alex, wait for me.
Whoa, there's a guy right there. No, I can't die. I've got all the good stuff. No! Ben, can you come and cover for me?
No.
You need to. I've got all the good stuff. This is so annoying, guys. So annoying. I'm just running. A second ago, I was chasing him. No, he was chasing me, and then I was chasing him.
I'm gonna get a snack.
Hey, let me pause the game.
Alex!
I'm pausing the game.
No!
Just wait.
Just carry on playing, okay?
Fine.
I'll bring you up on the floor, okay?
Okay.
Guys, Alex will entertain you.
A second ago, I just literally, he was chasing me and then I was chasing him. I'm not that happy. No, you're not getting me. No. Guys, I really recommend this on the Nintendo Switch. If you have a Nintendo Switch, I really recommend getting the Escapists too. I think Benjamin.
There you go.
Oh, thanks. Can you open it for me? I've been knocked out. Great, and I've got all the good
Once
stuff.
you're knocked out, you can open your crisps. You got crisps, by the way. Where were you when you
I was just a carrot and I saw a ladder.
No. Where's the ladder? Is it in this one?
No.
God. Wait, no.
No, flush the pillow. And then it'll distract him. Flush. Because it'll flood the toilet. Oh, it usually floods the toilet.
Oh, he didn't notice me.
Yeah, he did.
Oh! Where do they go? Down to them girls there. I'm going on my cell, okay?
Bye.
Oi! Why did you attack me? Oi, Meanie! Meanie! Mayday! Mayday! There's a meanie attacking me. Whoa! He thinks that's me.
Help! Okay, I'm coming towards you. He's in here! He's in here! No! I bet I hate you.
No. How did you know I went in there? I'm not coming out now. They didn't even notice me and you were standing literally where I was.
Well, they can't look in lockers unless they see you going to locker.
Oh.
Oh wait, Ben, you played this at James's house, haven't you?
Yeah.
Did you make a video with that, though?
No. Remember, we are still recording, guys.
Yeah, I know. How long is this?
Ah! I think I'm count again.
Again. great. It's so hard. Okay, guys. I don't know a 2-player escape to this, so let's try. I need to kill a guard, though.
Why is he guessing me?
Because he saw you. You say he stayed out. Why? He thought he hit you. Hi.
Whoa! He thought that was me. Guys, we're both the same people. He thought that was me, but I'm hiding in the locker.
I'm gonna reveal you're there by pulling you out.
You can't.
You can.
Go, please. Please don't.
I'm doing it. Please. Well, I won't be able. I'll probably get knocked out first. You just see me. Pop out, well. Please don't pull me out, Alex. I'm coming.
Alex!
Fine.
Don't!
Don't shout, it's video. Dum-dum. Wait, how long is this? Chat.
Guys, we're gonna escape the prison. In the next one, goodbye!